beautiful darlings. Just move this out of the way. Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I'm going to be making a watermelon agua fresca. Agua fresca means cool waters in English. It's a light, refreshing drink served throughout Mexico. For this recipe, you need watermelon, limes, mint, sugar, a little bit of salt, water, and a lot of ice. All you need to prepare an agua fresca is a high-speed blender and a glass to serve it in. So to the blender, you're going to add your watermelon. Top this off with about 4 cups of water. Do my best not to spill. I'm gonna start with about half of it and use the rest as I need. I'd rather be able to thin out my fresca than it be super watery. I'm going to add sugar, lime juice, and a pinch of salt, just again to round out the flavors. I'm going to blend this first, get it nice and smooth, and then add in the mint. And that is only so that this doesn't turn brown. It stays pink with little flecks of green. Start it on low, then you can work your way to medium, high speed. You're going to blend until it's completely smooth. Now every watermelon is going to be a little different, so if yours is super juicy, you'll need a little less water. If it's not as juicy, you're going to need almost all 4 cups. This is looking nice and smooth. At this point, I'm going to add in my mint and only blend it just until the mint is chopped up like little pieces of confetti. And you can watch the mint come through, and you'll stop when it's nice and chopped up. About 30 seconds or so. Pieces are nice and small enough to fit through a straw. That's what you're looking for. The agua fresca is all blended. Now I'm ready to serve. Simply pour over ice in a fun glass. I like to garnish with a little lime wheel, tuck it right in. I like to finish it off with a fresh sprig of mint, tucked right in there. Cheers. For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatable.com.